Hey guys, let's discuss this system of nonlinear or linear equations depending on looking for these variables or their ratios. In our first solution, to simplify our lives, let's go for the latter option by the elimination and reducing these coefficients to 1 to get these ratios and the result. In our second solution, to simplify our lives even more, let's go for neither option by this summation and reducing the coefficient to 1 to get exactly the same result as in our first solution. Alright guys, that's the end. Thanks for your attention. I'll see you next time.